Hi children, good morning. How you all are? I hope you all might be fine. And we are starting with page number 49, exercise B. Rewrite these sentences correctly. My brother repaired the car at 6 o'clock yesterday when his friend arrived. My brother was repairing the car. Okay. The birds chirped when the dog barked at them. The birds were chirping when the dog barked at them. Mehak slept when her friends came. Mehak was sleeping when her friends came. The wind blew hard when the storm started. The wind was blowing hard when the storm started. The cat chased the mouse when I opened the door. The cat was chasing the mouse when I opened the door. Charu sang melodiously when the judges entered the hall. Charu was singing melodiously when the judges entered the hall. Last evening, your family and you were doing different activities. Complete the passage to describe what each one of you was doing at 7 o'clock. My mother was reading a book while my father was working on his computer. My younger brother was watching a film while my elder sister was playing with our pup. My elder brother and I were cleaning the cupboards while my grandmother was listening music. Rewrite these sentences. It was rain heavily, so I stayed at home all day. It was raining heavily, so I stayed at home all day. My father read the newspaper. My father was reading the newspaper when I woke up. Harish slept. Harish was sleeping when we reached his house. I watched television when my mother came home. I was watching television when my mother came home. He were doing his work when Sumit came to call him. He was doing his work when Sumit came to call him. I is watching the clothes. I was watching the clothes while my brother was cleaning the bicycle at 5 o'clock yesterday. Okay. We are starting our next tense together. Simple future tense. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में हम बात कर चुके हैं. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में क्या होगा? आई और वी के साथ में शल होगा, बाकी सभी के साथ में विल और फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. वी यूज द सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस फॉर एक्शंस दैट विल टेक प्लेस इन द टाइम टू कम, दैट इज इन द फ्यूचर. आई शैल कंप्लीट माई प्रोजेक्ट दिस वीक. We shall go to see the doctor next week. My father will come back from his tour tomorrow. The birds will drink this water in the morning. All these sentences tell us about action that will take place in the future. We often use words such as tomorrow, this week, next week, this month, and next year. Now we shall move into our new house next month. Deepak will teach me how to drive a car next week. Forming the verb in the simple future tense. To form the simple future tense, use shall or will with the root or base form of the verb. We sometimes use will with I and we instead of shall. I will, we will. I shall take my dog for a walk in the evening. We shall play in the park tomorrow. He will have his test in the coming week. He will use several props in the play. It will bark if a stranger comes to the house. You will deliver this parcel to the office tomorrow. They will come home for a summer vacation. Suresh will read this story to his sister tonight. Mahesh and Karuna will play football on Sunday. Now exercise, fill in the blanks. रमेश एंड गोपाल विल ईट दीज फ्रूट्स लेटर. विल और शल का यूज़ करना है और फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लगेगा. द प्लांट्स विल डाई इफ वी डोंट वाटर दैम रेगुलरली. वी शैल ड्राइव टू द हिल्स नेक्स्ट वीक. आयशा विल डेकोरेट द हॉल फॉर द फेट. The dog will bite you if you tease it. I shall understand this poem after reading it myself. Rewrite these sentences. We play in the ground on Friday. We shall play in this ground on Friday. My father goes to his office at 8 a.m. My father will go to his office at 8 a.m. She practiced a lot before the performance. She will practice a lot before the performance. It rained heavily in August. It will rain heavily in the August. I clean the car and water the garden on Tuesday. I shall clean the car and water the garden on Tuesday. The guard maintains a register for all people who come to our building. The guard will maintain a register for all people who came to our building. Fill in the blanks. This Saturday, our school team will play a cricket match with the neighboring school's team. From our class, Mohan, Sandeep and Harish will bet. It will be an exciting match and all of us will go to see it and will cheer for our team. Mohan's parents will reach the stadium with Sandeep's parents. They will sit in the main stall and will see the match from there. Harish's parents will sit with us. All of them will be proud of their children's achievements. The principal will reward the team if we win. He will give individual prize to the players who will be in the past batsman, bowler or fielder categories. All of us will pray that our team wins the match. It will be a glorious and proud moment for our school. Okay. Now in activity what you have to do, you have to make few sentences of simple future tense. 5 sentences you make simple future tense. Okay. Now your homework, understand what you have to do. You have to write page number 51, 52 and till 53. Okay. Have a nice day children. Bye bye. Take care.